Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the front plane. So we'll select here the XY plane. Take rectangle command. Take 2-point rectangle. From the center point, make one rectangle. And make one rectangle like this, and here make one more rectangle here. Okay, now we have 3 rectangles. Go to dimension, here define this width as 8 mm, define this 8 mm and this also as 8 mm. Okay, now we will define the distance. Define the distance of this will be 21 mm and the distance from here will be of 8 mm. Okay, so you can see this will make a joining profile. Now here we will define the distance. Select this and select this point. Define this as 35 mm and select this top and select this bottom. Define this as 70 mm. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select all the profiles, take here symmetric and here we will take 100 mm as extrude dimension and press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, take rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile. Go to arc command and take 3-point arc. Select this point and select this point and make one arc profile. Go to dimension. Here define this total as 14 mm and center point from this corner will be at 20 mm. The radius here will be of 7 mm. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select both the profiles. Here we will click on cut and we will take the dimension same as 100 mm. Okay, or you can take 10 mm also and press OK. Now go to rectangular pattern, select extrude 2, go to direction 1 and select this edge. Here it will ask you in which direction you want to travel. So you can see here it is showing this arrow, so the part is going this side. So I'll click here on flip and take a count of 4 and the center to center distance here will be of 20. Okay, and press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension, define this width as 60 mm, define this as 10 mm and from corner define this at 20 mm. Okay, now finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile, here take cut and press OK. Okay, go to home. Now here select this corner, take fillet, take here a radius of 5 mm, rotate the view and select here this also 5 mm and press OK. Go to home. Now here we will define the appearance. From here we will take the chrome polished. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.